Hey YouTube, how's it going? Hope everybody's doing good out there. The coronavirus is getting worse though, but we just gotta make sure we be safe, keep distance and keep in our homes. But just hope things get better. Well, this is part 3 on the Codecademy elements and structure. Right now, let me see if I left off on this. Let's see, it was this order list. Oh, before, let's go back here just to check. Yeah, on order list we did last time. So right now we're learning about ordered lists. So ordered list OL are like an ordered list, except that each list item is numbered. They are useful when you need to list different steps in a process or rank items for first to last. You can create the ordered list with OL tag and then add individual list items to the list using li tags. All right, so the output will look like this. So let's look at this right here. Let's look at the code sample. So you have an OL open, and then you have your list items li, and then you have your close order list. So then the output will look like this. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then mix whole wheat flour, baking soda, and salt. And then cream the butter, sugar in a separate bowl. Add eggs and vanilla extract to the bowl. So with this is step 1. Remember, this is step 1. Order lists are using numbers. They keep it in order. So 1 through whatever. Well, you could be 1 through a million, 1 through 4, 1 through 10, whatever. So making your list like 1. Number 1, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. 2, mix whole wheat flour, baking soda, and salt. 3, cream the butter and sugar in separate bowl. 4, add eggs and vanilla into extract bowl. So my instructions are under the heading that says countries with large brown bear populations. Add an order list. Do not add any items. Do not add any list items to the list just yet. Okay, so we just have to set up. So we gotta set up the shop. We can't start working on these cards yet. We gotta set up everything. Just like when you go to open up at a store, you have to set everything up. You can't just go ahead and start selling stuff. You gotta set everything up. So let's make these OLs. Let's make these order lists. So under the heading that says countries with large brown bear populations. So let's see, where is that at? I think it's right here. Well, let me just check. A brown bear introduction. This is okay. Paragraph, strong, bold, species, list on or UL div h2 h3 h4. So right over here. So under this one right here. So this is it. Unordered. See, unordered. That was the unordered list. Okay, so let's set it up. So open, close. So ordered list. So that is the syntax. And then we drop down here because I don't know how long the list might be. Let's give it some room. Okay, do not add any list items yet. Okay, so let's run our code. Great. Let's see, under the country with the large brown bear population. Why didn't it work here? Simply because I didn't close it. See, I didn't add the forward slash. Did you add the owner list between the population? See, it needs to be a forward slash. Let's run the code again. Bam. Okay, now add the following list items. So we got to add the list items inside of this block. So let's go ahead and add them. Li. What am I doing? Russia. And then we got to close it, right? Li, close. Then open. It's good. Like, you can start copying, pasting it, but I believe it's good to get muscle memory and also like getting memorizing and getting a natural feeling how to write down the syntax. Write down like li. Just remembering ahead li's list, order list is ol. Just when you keep typing over and over again, it becomes nature to you. So I believe you would always want to do that. But later on, to a point that to keep you won't need to keep typing this over and over again because you already know what you want to do. So and you're set from there. So run. So something's messed up here. I forgot to close these LLLI. See, LIs. Okay, bingo. Wait, what did I do wrong? Okay, Canada. Did you add the item list to the United States? Oh, I forgot the S on United States. So yeah. Okay, good. So next, okay, so want to review quickly concept take a material cheat sheet. Can we? Here are some questions. Element contain. Oh, this discussions 2 page. So what did we learn this lesson? This lesson we learned about order lists. Order lists are basically lists with numbers. So 1 through 4, 1 through 1,000, whatever. So order list, order list, open close order list. Make your order list and um make your list items. Put them in the field, the box field, the block. So just quick recap. Order list. Boom, right here. So let's put list items. Dog. So list right here, and then make sure you gotta close them. So okay, let's put cat or cow or yeah cow, and then you can just class this out and make sure that this is order list. Bam, there you go. So see, this is the order list. Ordered list. Open with an order list, close with an order list. Put your list items, and at the end, make sure you make sure you close them. Okay, next, let's go to images. Okay, images. All of the elements you learned about so far, heading, paragraphs, lists, and spans, share one thing in common. They compose entirely of text. What if you want to add content to your web page that isn't composed of text like images? The image tag allows you to add an image to a web page. Most elements require both opening and closing tags, but the image tag is a self-closing tag. Note that the end of the image tag has /. Self-closing tag may include or omit the final slash. Will both will render properly. So this is the code for the image source. All right. So it's open image source equals the location a JPEG. Okay. Close. So image as location JPEG. The image tag has a required attribute called source (src). The src attribute must be set to the image source or the location of the image. In this case, the value of src must be uniform resource locator URL of image. A URL is the web address of the local address where a file is stored. So people say, "Hey, what's the URL? What's the link?" So it means uniform resource locator. Where's it located and stuff? That's what it means right here. So under the media H2 heading, add an image using the following URL as source for the image. So we gotta add this. Okay, cool. That's cool. That's pretty cool. All right, let's see. So under the media, where is media at? Media is right here. Under this media, is it this media or that media? Let's see. It's this media because it's saying H2 heading. So this is media with the H2. So under this, we're gonna need to add the image source. So how we do that? We got an image source equals, and then let's just close it right here. And then inside these quotes, we gotta add this here. Boom. Run it. Bingo. And what happens? A brown bear appears. Okay, nice. So what we learned here, we learned how to use an image tag. We learned that image source, using this syntax, image source puts a picture on your web page. It puts a picture on your web page. By how to put your picture on your web page, you got to use the syntax image source. There you go. Next one, image alt. Part of being an essential web developer is making your site accessible to users of all backgrounds. In order to make the web more inclusive, we need to we need to we need to consider what happens when assistive technology assistive technology such as screen readers come across image tags. The alt attribute, which means alternate text, brings meaning to the images on our sites. The alt attribute can be added to the image tag just like the src attribute. The value of alt should be description of the image tag. So basically, this is the code text. Image source, whatever here. Remember we did the picture? This is just a pound. Alt equals a field of yellow. What is the pound? We could probably look that up. I think this pound usually probably just like nothing. It means probably nothing. Just like you don't have to put anything there. If you don't know what you need to put, it won't show. So this pound will make it so the web page will be blank. The picture will be blank, I believe. We'll test it out. The alt attribute also serves the following purposes. If an image fails to load on a web page, a user can mouse over the area originally intended for the image and read a briefly description of the image. This is made possible by description you provide in the alt attribute. Visually impaired users often browse the web with the aid of screen reading software. When you include the alt attribute, their screen reading software can read the image description out loud to the visually impaired user. The alt attribute also plays a role in the search engine optimization, SEO. Because search engines cannot see the images on the website as they crawl the internet, having descriptive alt attributes can improve the ranking of your site. If the image on the web page is not that conveys any meaning, information to a user, visually impaired or otherwise, the alt attribute should be left empty. All right, cool. So add the alt attribute to the image and include a description. Make sure the description accurately describes the image. Okay, add an attribute to the image. So this image right here we made. So we need to add an alt attribute. So let's see. We'll make it. We'll test that theory though, real quick. Remember the pound? We'll see. Let's see if this disappears. It turns into like a picture, but you can't see it. So what if we put it blank? It'll just be a blank there. But this is like a placeholder. You want to put something later. It's good to place placeholders are things that you want to put later on, but you can't fill in information yet. You just want to like hold it there, you know. Like you want some water, so you just get a cup. You need a cup to hold the water, and you just drink it later. Okay, so let's go backspace. Um, let's add an alt attribute here. So how we're gonna do that after the source right here? We need to add alt equals. So what are we gonna put though? What does he want? Add the alt attribute to the image, including include a description. So this is a. Let's just say. So what is it like? That was a brown bear, right? We could just put like, uh, this is a picture of a brown bear. There you go. There you go. Boom. So when screen reader sees it, let's see. After she searches for if an image fails to load a page, a user can mouse over. So if the see if the image fails, so let's do this. Just do pound because it's not going to show an image. See, this is picture of brown bear. See, that's what happens because the picture isn't there, so it's going to say the description. What is that picture? You know. So and then it's not going to say any description because you'll see the picture of it. Okay. So what we learn is the alt attribute shows screen readers and people this description of the image if it's not available. Okay, videos. We're almost done, guys. After this and one more video. Let's go. Okay, videos. In addition to images, HTML also supports displaying videos, like the image tag. The video tag requires a source attribute with a link to the video source. Unlike the image tag, however, the video element requires an opening and closing tag. Okay, so code text video src equals myvideo.mp4 with 320 height, 240 controls. Video is not supported. In this example, the video source src is my video before. So you guys, you know how you like save videos on YouTube or have certain videos like you surf the net and stuff. When you save a video, it says the format MP4. Like your Apple videos are in MP4 format. So just imagine it's just like a video, like a YouTube video, and then when it gets extracted, it'll count as an MP4 file for the just a video format. The source can be a video file that is hosted alongside with your web page, or a URL that points to a video file hosted on another page. After the src attribute, the width and height attributes are used to set the size of the video displayed in the browser. The controls attribute instructs the browser to include basic controls, pause and play, skip. That's cool. So you see a YouTube video and you have controls like you either pause it, play it, or turn the sound down, captions and stuff like that. And speeding to control the video to go slow or fast. The text video not supported between the opening and closing tags. Video tags will be displayed if the browser is unable to load the video. So just like all images, just like images like that, just like the alt attribute, if the video doesn't get shown, then it's gonna say video is not supported or unable to load video. So let's do it. Under the image with the video, under the image, create a video tag and add the following. So where do we do this at? Under the image. So under this one right here, right? Let's be sure. Wait. Under the image, create a video. Okay. So this is okay. So how do we create it again? So we look at video, video, source, and then make sure you have equals source. And then you add this right here. And then make sure at the end you always have to close it. So once under the create a video tag. Okay, so we gotta put it right here. A video close. Okay, there's a syntax error right here. Why is there a syntax error? What does it say? Special characters must be escaped. Huh. So maybe you have to put it on the same line. Okay, video source equals. Let's just video. Am I spelling it right? Video. Okay, just run it. So here's a video. Did you create a video/video? Okay, so what are we doing wrong here? Did you create a video? Let's see the tags that provided video URL. Did we? Yes, we did. So what is the problem? Let's see. So open video close. Do I have to? I think I have to close it. No, I don't close it right there. src equals the context here. Boom, boom. Then we have this tag must be paired, no start tag. Okay. video. Huh. This is tricky because it looks like we have it. Let's see if it plays though. No. Did you create a video? I wonder if I'm doing it wrong. Let's just retype it out again. Let's just do this. video source. Wait, what is this right here? Huh. I wonder. Let's see how would this work. See, when you get into problems like this, you just gotta read the instructions again. Slow it down. Video source. So let's try this. Let's copy and paste this video and see if this even works. See, this works. This currently works. But wait. See, it has an error here. Did you create a video as video and tag contains video art? That's the same thing as the instructions. Huh. That's really tricky. Let's see if we can figure out without using the solution helper. So under the image created, image right here. Create a video tag that adds the following to the video as a source. So take this. Okay, so you know what? I wonder if this has an issue. I wonder if you could put it in here. I wonder if that'll work. Let's try that. That doesn't look right. See if it works. No. All right, let's look at the solution. So video source height. Codecademy. Under the image, create a video tag that adds the following video source. Be sure to close the tag video. Oh, I see. You know why, guys? So that's right. That's right. Oh, the solution's here. Okay, good. Because I forgot. we didn't do this. We didn't do the define the width of the video as 320 and height. We didn't do this instruction. We just did these and close it. So let's do it again. Like this. So basically, under the image video, create a tag, add the following video. Boom, we did this video source right here. So video source, this information right here, this text is the video, and then it wants you to add a width. So you after the quotation, you do width 3 = 320, and then close it. Height right here as 240. Make sure it also contains controls, and you put controls right here after the quotes. You do controls, and then you close it, and then you put video not supported in between the opening and closing tags of video. Add the phrase video not supported. So what we learned here is how to put videos on a page. We learned how to see the video works right here. So this is play, it's playing, and this is a sound, and this is how you get bigger, and this is you could download it, whatever, picture, whatever. So yeah, and also we gotta learn to read the instructions too. So video source, quotes, what video you want, and how big is the width of the window, and height, and also is video is not supported, which means if it doesn't show up, if the video doesn't show up, so you close this, the videos don't show up, it won't be supported. Let's see. Video, the text video is up between open tags, so video not supported will be the controls that you set. The text video not supported between all class videos will you say the browser and it will load the video. So unable to load to video. So still have controls, but you're unable to load. I wish it didn't take my stuff away that I worked on, but it's fine. It's okay. Okay, review. So, congratulations on completing the first lesson of HTML. You are well on your way to becoming a skilled web developer. Let's review what you learned so far. So, we learned HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language and is used to create the structure and content of a web page. Most HTML elements contain opening and closing tags with raw text or other HTML tags between them. HTML elements can be nested inside other elements. The enclosed element is the child of the enclosing parent element. Okay, any visible content should be placed within the opening and closing body tags. And headings and subheadings H1 to H6 tags are used to enlarge text. Paragraph span and div tags specifically text or blocks. And the M and strong tags are used to emphasize text. Then line breaks are created with the BR tag. Order lists are numbered and unordered lists UL are bulleted. Images and videos can be added to link to an existing source. In this lesson, in the next lesson, we'll learn to in the next lesson we'll take the content that you added to this website and transform it into HTML document that ready to go on a web page. So yep, we did it. So we left you with your final code. Please feel free to play around and modify your elements you learned. If you want to see review how the HTML structure project schematically, meaning full elements, watch the video below. Okay. So guys, yeah. So we finished part 3 of HTML, the Codecademy exercises, the elements. So this is it, guys, and make sure you like, subscribe, and stay safe out there. And feedback is welcome. If you see anything that I should be improved on or anything you guys would like, just let me know in the comment section below. And you guys, make sure you have a safe day. Take care. Bye.